What is up YouTube, Chaz here, and today I'm again here with Aqeel Mubarak. So today we're here at the HeroFest, hosted by the YGO Bern Liga, right? Yes, and GoodGames is providing the spot we have right here so we can play Yu-Gi-Oh! So last week you went first place, today you went first place. What did you play?
I played Mathmech again with some changes in the main deck and one change in the extra deck.
Nice. Let's go right into it.
So 3 circular again, obviously best starter, one of the best extenders, diameter plus the negate for the exceeds. Then the Mathmech extenders, 2 subtraction, 2 addition. You can maybe cut them or play them more so you don't break, but I like them at 2, and I have 2 Sigma. And that's one change, is with multiplication, to kill someone with access code with 10.6k attack.
Nice.
The problem is you have an issue against tier elements, so this one helps you a lot in that. So you have 2 routes to kill someone, either with the final Sigma, which this one is also really good, and obviously the access code.
Nice.
And also plays around Imper and Vader.
Aye.
The 2 Mathmech spell and traps. I don't play induction anymore because I will show you the main deck later. So because I have other main deck outs for Mystic Mine or Salviak.
Alright.
And these are the 3 extenders for the cybers, the 3 planets here. You can maybe cut one post side. The search spells are 2 small words and 3 mining. I cut that one on to 2, so I have more space for going second cards. My power spells are again 2 desires and 1 cold bite, and this is the main deck change. I play Cosmic Cycle in the main, so I don't lose to Salviak, set super polys, or any annoying smashes or anything. It's one of the best cards in the main deck right now.
Crazy.
For this format. Till Darkwing Blast, I think. It's
main decking the Mystic Mine out, let's go!
Yeah, and it's also good, you can use it on the field spell of tier events if you search it or anything else. It's really good card right now. My hand traps again, the 3 one-offs, Skullmaster Crow Bell, 2 Ash, 3 Imperm, 3 Whaler, and 3 Nib.
Nice.
The main deck is 42 cards.
42, alright. Are you thinking about cutting a little bit to 40 or just
Really
not?
hard.
Really hard.
Because you also need space for the side deck, so it matches the pattern. Yeah, you can try to maybe cut the subtraction in addition to 1, but I wouldn't recommend it. It's really hard. Maybe you should cut some going second cards. I don't know, not sure yet.
Alright.
Extra deck, the 3 exceeds, the negate with the hand rep and the 2 searches. This one can also search floodgates like Rivalry or D-Barrier if you have 4 materials, so it's really good. And yeah, as I told you, to kill the people, and it's really good against Sprite. They can't out it. They can't out it easily. They need to make gigantic, and then yeah, it depends if you can out it.
Yeah. But a lot of resources to make gigantic anyway, so you can stop him until then, or her.
The 3 Link ones obviously combo with the Toggles and the Wicked. The Link 2 Splash, Update Gemma, IP, Wicked, I think nothing to explain here. Link 3s are Eat Soul and the Transcode. Some people cut this. I think it's fine, but I just like drawing cards.
Everybody does, am I right?
The target for Unicorn and the X code to kill people. I took out the Appaloosa for the final Sigma. My friend Colin told me to do that, so yeah, shout out to Colin. He's at the YCS at Utrecht, and I hope he finishes well.
Yes, good luck to everybody in YCS Utrecht from the Swiss people. And let's go to the side deck.
Yeah, so the side deck is a bit random, but it's a bit hard. So I have 1 Dark Rule because I have only placed for 1. These are my going first cards, 1 Barrier, 1 Appointer, and 3 Rivalry. I took this to 3 because this card is so good going second, because you can just set it and then flip it on the opponent's draw or standby phase, and they're really in a problem if they don't have the out. And also buys you time going second. It's like Mystic Mine, but not that toxic. Gamma Driver against Rogue and Sprite. Also, some people start playing drone, so it's really good if you play it going first as well. It's risky, but it can pay off. I wouldn't do it because I have hits on that want to draw into my head traps that are live, but yeah. Obviously, Mystic Mine out. Searchable, small little silent mining. 1 Cosmic and 3 even if edge.
Nice!
That's the main deck is 42 cards, extra deck 50, side deck 50.
Nice. Good. Congrats, I mean, to your win today here at the HeroFest. Maybe you'll get a hat trick next week. Let's see.
We'll see.
We'll
It's
see.
really hard because the new hand traps from Darkwing Blast are pretty good. The dragons, because the Mathmech deck plays a lot of lights.
Yeah,
so it's
true.
an issue. So you maybe have to play more bells to like be secured from the dragons, but yeah, you will see. Maybe I will play a dragon next week. We'll see.
Let's see. Aqeel, thank you a lot, and see you next time.
No problem.
Bye.
Bye.